Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can log in Canva with your phone number. So to get started, first of all go ahead and open up your Canva application. So once you open your Canva application, you will be brought up with the homepage or the login homepage of Canva. So as you can see, there are many options or there are many ways to log into Canva, but there is no any option called login with phone number. So what you can do is, so for that go ahead and tap and continue with another way. Now here as you can see the option of login with mobile, go ahead and tap on it. Now here you can add your phone number and just continue it. So once you have added your phone number, you'll get the OTP on your message box on the number, and you can just simply write down the OTP and just continue it. Once you do that, you'll be good to go and you'll be successfully able to log in Canva with your phone number. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.